So, what are some pronouns that we know? For example, I, we, he, she, it, they. These are all pronouns, right? He is a singular pronoun. She is a singular pronoun. It is a singular pronoun, right? For example, he, she, it, I. So these are all singular pronouns. This is quite simple, isn't it? This is simple to understand. Because when we say he, we are talking about one particular individual. Right? When we say she, we are talking about one individual, one. It, we are talking about one particular individual. Right? Now, what can happen is, sometimes it can be confusing. Some pronouns can be confusing. And these confusing pronouns are the ones that we are going to look at in this class. For example, pronouns that end with one. Pronouns that end with one. Ending one. For example, anyone. For example, anyone. What else?
No one.
Everyone. Everyone. Someone. No one. Sorry, here I should have. Etc. These are singular pronouns. These are singular pronouns. What do I mean by that? That means, for example, I have to say everyone is. I cannot say everyone are. Everyone is. Everyone has a pen. Has. Right? Someone has a pen. Everyone, when we look at everyone, everyone means everyone means plural, of course, right? But everyone is singular. Everyone is singular. Someone is. Someone has. Right? Okay. Similarly, when the ending is body, it's also a singular pronoun. For example, everybody. Nobody, anybody, nobody, somebody. These are all singular nouns, right? So, for example, everybody in the class. Let's take an example. Everybody in the class let's take this example. Everybody in the class, English book. Have or has?
Everybody in the class
Has. Because it is a singular noun. Because it is a singular pronoun. Alright. So, somebody, nobody, everybody. And similarly, if the ending is thing as well.
Something, anything.
Something. Nothing.
For example,
Everything.
everything, anything,
Nothing.
nothing,
Something.
something. Let's take an example. Let's write down an example. Nothing Nothing is impossible, right?
Yes.
But I'm taking slightly different sentence with a slightly different word. What is the correct form of the verb walk here? Nothing walk, nothing walks. Which one? Nothing walks. Why? Because walks is the singular. Walks takes singular subject. Right? Nothing is a singular subject. Walks. Right? Walks is a singular verb. Right? In some sense. Now walks is a singular verb. So that's the reason. Because it takes a singular subject. So nothing walks on the plane surface. Everything in this world, dot dot dot, everything in this world, let's take one second. Everything in this world everything in this world has been created, has been created or have been created?
Has
been created.
Has been created. So, because everything is singular. Everything is
singular pronouns.
singular. Have is also singular. Oh, sorry, not have.
Has.
Better than has. That's what I was wondering. Everything in this world has been created, not have been created. Has been. So, because this is singular, this is Baba. What are you saying? Alright? So, one should be aware of this. Similarly, let's take another one. For example, words such as, pronouns such as each, pronouns such as each, every, either, neither, and then what do we have? Much, and then such, little, all of these are also singular.
pronouns.
Singular pronouns. Okay? Each. For example, if I say, each day is a beautiful day. Right? Each day is a beautiful day. Each chapter teaches us something. Teaches. Okay, let's take this one. Each teacher, let's say, give or gives. Something to learn. Each teacher give or gives us something to learn.
Gives.
Right? Because gives, that's the singular
Singular.
verb.
Verb.
It is singular. Yes, with S. When verb generally has S, it is singular form. It's exactly opposite of subjects, right? Of subjects. Right. And then similarly, let's take some more. One. One, another, enough, etc. Other, let's take this one also, other. And so these are also singular. Okay? For example, enough is enough. That's what we say, right? Enough is enough, not enough are enough. Right? Another one is the better way. Another one is the better way. Right? Another is the better way. One let's take one sentence of this one with one. Let's start with one. One, let's take a verb, right, and let's take here verb have. One, a good poetry when one, a deep realization. One, right or writes? Right. A good poetry when one has or have? One has, right?
Yes.
One has a deep realization. Singular. Why? Because one is singular here. One is singular here. So singular form of the verb right is right. Don't get confused with the verb. Huh? Verb, some are confused now. Right is singular form of the verb. Similarly, has singular form. Oh, yes, I understand. So, the summary is singular pronoun. What's the summary?
Singular pronoun.
And if pronouns are ending with one, they are singular. If pronouns are ending with body, singular. Pronouns are ending with thing, singular. Each, every, either, neither, much, little, singular pronouns. One, another, enough, other, they are also
Singular.
nouns. Okay, so accordingly you have to write the right verb. That's the thing. Why did we learn this? Why did we learn that these are singular pronouns? Because we have to choose right form of the verb. We cannot say everybody in the class have English book. We have to say it. Everybody in the class has English book or an English book, right? An English book. And then similarly, everything in this world have been created by God? No. Everything in this world has been created by God. So that's the reason why we learn. Why? Singular pronouns. Okay?